I'm not sure.
Scans show the Tyranid numbers growing
that's a huge
exponentially
building.
within the Hive City. Retaking those sectors is a lost cause. Bombardment from orbit risks collateral damage,
Oh,
so we
yeah.
need a more targeted approach. Commandeer a Nova
That's what we're
cannon
building in
explosive
Minecraft.
warhead from the Navy supplies
Totally.
in the Astra Militarum depot and deliver the payload by rail.
You can see it's in the desert.
Collapse the superstructure from below.
There's a tornado over there.
Dude, these fucking worlds are so cool.
Yeah.
Like, why the fuck is this in the desert?
The battle disturbs Avarax's arid landscape. Dust squalls can arise with little warning. If conditions obscure the path, look for the flashing guide.
This was the first one that we split screened, Dead.
I believe you are correct. I haven't done that in a while. Because you have fancy HDR. I haven't turned mine on. Well, I should say that. I don't game on the monitor that has HDR on it.
Why not?
Yeah, man, missing
it's
out.
Slightly less
Atmospheric conditions have
performance than the one I use.
Advance when it is clear.
I also used to fighting the fucking other dudes. I gotta fight bugs and stuff.
You're used to fighting chaos?
Yeah.
Most people consider the bugs to be more enjoyable and relaxing.
Yeah.
Something about teleporting and being shot to pieces makes people unhappy.
Mark Xenos combatant. Conversion field operation. Keep a tight formation. We do not want to get set. Kill confirmed. Major Tyranid threat.
You still want to deliberately go out of your way to shoot the spores mines on the ground. The servo skull is right here.
Obtain weapon schematics. Resupply there. Refilling magazines. Atmospheric conditions have returned.
Only one of us has to pick it up. I'm just showing you
Oh,
what's on.
okay.
So that if you're gaming by yourself, you know where to pick them up. So you can
Ah.
minimize the grind and just play with whatever you want for fun, as opposed to some silly grind.
Yeah.
Pretty sure. Yep, there's that pad over here.
Iron Hater ready.
Dang it.
Lieutenant Titus, we have secured
Gene seed is often way over in that corner.
Activate the quartermaster's console and wake the machine spirit. Instructed to load the explosive warhead onto the train and assist it when necessary. Target Xenos bioform. Transfer Nova cannon explosive warhead to the supply train. Assist the machine spirit, brothers.
If you pick the wrong one, it resets everything.
Processing command.
Oh, I mean, I blocked it.
Tyranid approaching. Engage weapons. Specialized biofuel neutralized. Request acknowledged.
Guy's glitched.
Yeah, my people are also glitched.
Yeah, it looks like everything is. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I disconnected.
Unfortunately, the last time it did this, it stole the gene seed from me. Which would be unfortunate. It's probably going to make us redo a certain part of it too.
Mm.
Yeah, it stole the gene seed.
Bruh.
Son of a bitch! Oh, maybe gene seed's in the spot I left it, or I had it. Let's see.
Then the ammo crate's gone too. That's weird.
It's gone?
What the fuck? Yeah.
Oh, that's weird. Gene seed is not here.
Preparing disciplinary report. Xenos countermeasure successful.
I guess it's not a huge deal. It's only like 400 out of like 2,300, so. Every little bit is nice to not have to deal with.
Resupply there. Refilling magazines. Equipment available. Version operational. We are
Provide your command authorization to dispatch payload to the supply queue.
Nova Cannon implosive warhead requisition, Lieutenant.
So we're basically just sticking a big ass
To the train.
warhead
There is a lift
on a
nearby.
train.
Secure it for our cargo.
Oh,
You can see the warhead there.
yeah.
We're just going to load it on a train and then send that train into the city. So it'll explode.
We did the opposite of built this city.
Oh.
We unbuilt
that's
this
good one.
city.
That's a good one.
Good callback. But you should have said we unbuilt this city.
Yeah, well. We're not, you know, come on, man.
Unfortunately, I don't have like something that rhymes with rock and roll that would have fit at the tail end of that.
Something about rocks in the desert. Look, that's all my shield. Thanks a lot, guy.
Hey, look, it's the city.
Oh, hey.
I just saw that. What? That's
Taking
crazy.
cover is advisable,
Relic over here.
but unnecessary.
Stim over here.
Stim supplies here. Additional grenade
Oh.
resupply. Mission log.
I think Jonathan is gone.
What?
Survey the terrain while you can.
I just get kicked off.
Jonathan is,
Advance when it is
yeah.
clear.
Can we re-invite him?
Then we'll see if he might have lost power. We were just talking about that yesterday.
Why would he lose power? He's not that far away from us.
Just well, his neighborhood tends to lose power a lot
Oh.
in these type of situations.
I don't know. I
Oh,
can-
hey.
This
Yeah, I
squeeze
don't.
is
I
harmful
think my
as a
Wi-Fi
summer
went out. I
breeze.
don't know.
Nah.
Are you able to rejoin? Because you'll still get
Guys.
credit for the XP and stuff.
Across the bridge.
It says joining server right now.
Did you already send him an invite out, Ben?
He should be able to join.
Pass it up.
I never like. It said disconnecting, and then it just said joining like immediately. Yeah.
Ammunition restocked.
Yep. Hold on.
Atmospheric conditions have returned to normal.
Can you see this?
Do you see that?
We're getting
Yeah,
somebody
let me
else.
see if I can invite you.
We're getting somebody else, and we're gonna have to kick them out.
Oh yeah. Gonna have to vote to kick him.
I know. I know. Sorry, man. We were trying to bring in a friend. Sorry about having to kick you.
Specialized bioform neutralized.
It'll take me a minute. Got a bunch of shit going on.
Sightlines diminished.
Yeah, that was weird.
I think you have to vote to kick him too. Even though you started
Did.
it.
Let's try again.
Atmospheric conditions have
Okay.
returned to normal.
There we
Try
go.
invite Jonathan. Well, without dying, hopefully.
See if you can join, Jonald. I sent it through Space Marine, so I don't know if it'll show up on Steam.
How did you send it
Am I
through
stuck
Space
on?
Marine?
High priority kill. Eliminated.
How did you send it through? Show it through Space
Yeah.
Marine?
It did the edit squad shit.
I didn't know. You have him as a friend in the game somehow?
It's like Epic Games. It looks like the Epic Games. That's,
We have a bio.
oh, maybe it's Steam. I don't know. It's like a separate. It's not the actual.
I don't know. Whenever can you see me open the Steam thing?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. It's not. Letting me join. It normally does.
Oh yeah, it's not. That's weird.
Is it? You say it is, or is not letting him?
It's not working.
So let's get to
Can
the.
you just send it through Steam?
Yeah, just send it to Steam.
It's the Steam.
Storm has dissipated.
I sent it both ways.
Kinky. Invite to game.
His works.
How the hell is his different?
It's possible that yours was sent when the other dude was loading, and so
I just sent him like a bunch more.
I don't know, man. Should be breaking. Why would you do that?
Yeah.
Trying to blow my face off.
Watch out.
So a trick I like to use, if you come over here, you can look down
Lockdown sector.
and see that spot right there. So as you're walking by, you can just look right there. That's where a relic might be. But you have to backtrack to get it. So it's nice to see if it's there beforehand, so you don't waste time backtracking. And if it is there and you absolutely need it, more than, say, your teammates, you can make sure you go there fast. See, there's this button over here we have to push.
I thought doors magic openly.
No,
Open
that
magic.
works. You have to say the magic word. What the fuck is a sesame? It's a street, a seed, and a way to open stuff.
I get it.
Remember what that's from?
Pretty good. No.
It's like a Mitch Hedberg
Is that yeah.
Throwing frag grenade. Kill confirmed. Major Tyranid threat. Engaging elite countermeasures.
Ah, run! You can't dodge when you're in the zoomed in mode on the heavy.
Preparing discipline.
And so I almost took a shot to the face because I was trying to dodge and it would not.
Iron Haven ready.
Would have been bad. Sometimes there's a relic there or there.
Relic cache here.
Seeking operator. Not found.
Xenos counter successful.
Fuck you. I'm literally dodging, you bitch.
Get juggled. You could use your banner to raise it.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
It's all good. It's one of those things where you get used to it over time.
Yeah.
There's a data slate here that I didn't already have.
I think this also used to be a spot where the Servos Coast would spawn, but I can't remember exactly where it was. Anyway, that's all we got to do up here. Go look at the data slate. Nobody ever got this relic. Maybe that guy who died and has a mortal wound should use the relic.
What? Nah.
Refilling magazines.
Somebody should pick it up. Stop throwing grenades at me, that's rude.
What?
Did you not hear me say the friendly fire warning has been issued?
No.
Resupply
It's
there.
very rude. It's what they call a dick move.
Terminator reporters stop. Precinct 39 voting complete. Manifest updated.
Obtaining armaments. Elite level Xenos. Pacify.
Yeah, you might think you're the big cheese around here, but that's me, buddy.
Iron Halo tactics.
Look at this idiot.
Before it summons reinforcements. Advance to position. Mark Xenos combatant. Xenos infestation advancing.
Sometimes the servo skull is right there, where I have marked.
Stay close to the ship. Enhanced tactic ready.
You're not the only one that can do that.
Yeah, you wish.
Yeah, I kind of do wish, man.
What about you wanna do the electric
Yeah.
slide?
What?
Payload is aboard the train, Lieutenant.
You can crouch. Or do.
No,
Yeah.
it's just a slide left to right thing. Now,
Oh, yeah.
If it's all right with you, I'm gonna get in the electric slide line just to prove that why kids love hip hop.
Let's,
Remember that song?
no.
It's an MC Chris song.
Oh, I don't
Ferocious.
listen to that one, I guess.
It's pretty interesting.
Adjusting our tactics to overcome. Tomasa, I have multiple swarms.
Oh, you little shits.
You have their attention. Deal with them swiftly. We will not get another shot at this.
Little shits. I only take big shits.
Is that why they call you the big cheese?
This is why they call me the big
They're
cheese.
coming-
I'm glad you
They're
remembered.
coming on that side over there.
Bruh. I don't. Not funny. Let me do my shit, bro.
This is just how I walk now. I quit that shit. Some of the
To 50%.
dailies and weeklies have team damage on, where you would kill people with your own grenades. Uh-oh.
Maybe
We gotta
that's
go
what I'm
charge
trying to
the
do.
batteries.
Engines here requested to perform.
Link your armor to the Mechanicus device. You will need to keep close proximity to the charging station
Right.
until the reset is complete.
I guess it's not this side, it's the other side.
Beep beep boop bop. Oh. I don't think I've ever had it be on that side.
It's both sides. It's the side that doesn't have electricity. I just followed it like a dumbass.
Offering prayer now.
That's what I'm talking about.
Stop target from calling up fresh reserves.
I can't shoot him from here.
I can't even see them. Ow. Are we serious?
That's me.
Oh.
Charging system detected. Engines here requested to perform
There's a syringe there.
Medical resupply encouraged.
Not a syringe.
Yeah. Damn. I'd say I keep calling it that because of rest.
Specialized bioform neutralized.
Preparing standby engine for departure. Dispatches, please stand by.
No way.
Engine charge to 75%.
Oh, I can activate the trains.
Oh yeah, I didn't want to.
Dispatching
I mean,
engine.
the idea is that
Searches away
when you activate the trains, it's to kill the dudes on the tracks.
Well,
Deploy immediately.
John, you want to come push the button?
Underway.
Sure.
While I casually throw my grenades over the top.
Utilizing crack explosives. Successful launch.
what?
Choo choo.
No way.
Ah, but the city was cool looking. Ah.
Yeah, it was kind of cool.
Detonation in 5.
Can we take it back? Yeah, take it
Brace
back.
the shockwave.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh.
They are
Impressive
cooked.
yield. No Xenos bioscans. Mission successful,
Okay.
Thomas. Return
Hey, yo.
to battle match.
I mean, it didn't really put that big of a dent in the city, but you know, it's.
Nah, they'll have yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It'll be like Fallout.
You know, you're right.
We haven't even been watching that.
True.
Remember, the game's still arcade scene.